Come test drive the 2017 Chevrolet Trax. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.